tell you something. Most people are working way too hard for way too little. 10 different apps, 10 different logins, emails piling up, content never getting done. That's not a business, folks. That's a mess. Here's the truth. You don't need more tools. You need one agent that actually gets it done. One command, Jarvis handles your email, your content, your leads, your whole business, right from your phone. No team, no hassle, no excuses, just results, real results. This is the smartest move you'll make this year. Tremendous value, believe me. Go to theproductoasis.com right now, search AgentJarvis AI, or just click the link below and listen. If you like this, hit like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe. You'll thank me later.